back once again. This is Elias Khan and अभी मैं हूँ ब्रह्मपुत्र नदी के किनारे पर and here I will try to do some best cinematic shot from this viewpoint. And as you can see, here sunrise is going on and I am sitting in a small boat. So the environment is quite nice here, as you can see. And so let's start and let's see. And if you are new in this channel, please subscribe to my channel Traveling Sunday. So friends, वीडियो शूट करने के लिए कुछ तो सामान चाहिए. अभी मेरे पास है ओनली माय मोबाइल फ़ोन Realme 2 और स्टैंड तो ज़रूरी है, लेकिन अभी पास मेरे पास है गोरिल्ला ट्राइपॉड. एंड विद दिस let's unbox your first, and with this gorilla tripod I will try to do best filming. And this is a remote control Bluetooth device, and with this here is a Bluetooth switch. Yes, it is now on and it is far from away. We can click videos and photographs. And this is a coupon which is given by the Flipkart, 50% cashback, 50 cashback. And yes, this is my gorilla tripod. Yeah, so it is quite nice. And here is a clip, mounting clip. Yeah, there is a 2 screw in this clip. One is there and another is yes. So with this gorilla tripod, let's start video shooting. काफ़ी मज़ा आया यहाँ तक अभी तक. एंड इट्स लुकिंग सो नाइस एज यू कैन सी. या काफ़ी मज़ा आया. बेसिकली मॉर्निंग टाइम एंड इवनिंग टाइम इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग मोमेंट. एंड दैट इज़ ऑल ओवर this video, and I hope you guys will like this video, share and subscribe if you are new in this channel. And I will try to upload some more interesting cinematic short video and blogs. So thank you so much once again. Bye bye.